Hi there, this is Haddad here. In this video, I have to show you how you can reset the configuration on the Ubiquiti EdgeRouter. So I'm having here an Ubiquiti EdgeRouter X, as you can see it over here. So this router now is connected to the internet. So if you see, if I go to the toolbox and I make ping, let's ping, for example, google.com. And if I say run test, so you can see I have ping reply. So this router is fully operational and I'm now connected to the internet via this router. Now you can see also, if we check here, you see that we have the IP address. This is the WAN IP address that I'm receiving from the ISP. And this is the IP, I put it on the switch port and I put the interface Ethernet 2, 3, and 4 inside this switch port. And there is also this IP to connect if you want to configure the router. So you can see that at this moment, everything is working perfectly. But what I want is, just in case I have made any mistake and I think that I need to reset the configuration. So what I want to do is that I just want to reset it to default. So how to do that? We have to go to the system over here. And on the system, we go down and we scroll down here until we reach to reset config to default. So on reset config to default, once you click on it, but be careful if you don't have any backup for the configuration, so everything will be wiped out. So you have to be very careful when you want to reset, because you will lose all your configuration. Actually, I have made a backup already for this configuration, but just to show you that this is how you can do the reset. So your network will temporarily be unavailable while your device resets to default config. Now we say reset to default. Then it will say, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So now you can see that this router is resetting and it's rebooting. So it takes something like 1-2 minutes before this router comes up again. And then we can check after that, when I connect to it, we can check if it has been resetted or not. So let's wait for it until it finishes, and then we'll come back to check if it's working the way we want. So now it looks like it's finished. Let's connect now to the IP, which is default IP 192.168.1.1. This is the default IP of the router, and you have to put your interface or your cable from your computer. You have to put it on the interface Ethernet 0. You put it on Ethernet 0 because Ethernet 0 has an IP of 192.168.1.1, and on your computer you have to put an IP which is from this range, 192.168.1. something. All right, so we go to advanced, continue and save, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Now we go here to UBNT, and then login. And here we go. You see that the router is in default config. You want to start with the basic setup wizard. So there's a wizard that you can also use, but it's very important saying here that the router is in default config. That means we have reset it correctly to default. And if you want, we can justify here. Look, okay, there is an IP which is on the internet interface Ethernet 1, because the DHCP client is always enabled on interface Ethernet 1, and I left the cable of the ISP here. That's why you see the IP. But if you look here on the switch, there is no IP, and that means now that the internet is not shared to my computer. So this is what I wanted to show you about how to reset the configuration on the Ubiquiti EdgeRouter. I hope that this video was informative for you, and I'll see you in other videos.